Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Power Management tab missing in Device Manager. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine, click and expand System. Click and expand Current Control Set, click and expand Control. Click Power. Right-click New DWord 32-bit value named as CS Enabled. Change value data to 0, click OK and close Registry Editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.